Now, this is how we can install apps without the Apple ID password on the iPhone. So whenever you get inside your settings, you can set up the way you authenticate yourself. So on most iPhones, we have the Face ID, of course. So Face ID and passcode is right there. You can get inside, and a lot of people have the Face ID set up for unlocking their device. And as we are inside of this section, you can see that we can use Face ID for unlocking the iPhone, but for other things as well. For the iTunes and App Store, this is the toggle that we are interested in, right? So the iTunes and App Store has to be enabled so you can authenticate yourself before downloading apps using Face ID and not the long Apple ID password. So if you don't want to type in the Apple ID password for every single app, make sure that this toggle is enabled. And now whenever you get inside the App Store and you find an app, which is like a new one, right? Whatever it might be, right? You can click on Get, and now you don't have to type in the code. You just double click to install, and you'll just scan your face, right? So if you do it like this, you get to see that the animation was there, and this is like a nice way to download an app from the App Store but without the password. So let me know if it worked for you. Definitely subscribe for tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll talk to you later.